Hi, Knights! In this video, we will cover how to take an assessment within web courses at UCF. An assessment is another word for a quiz in web courses at UCF. You will learn how to check when assessments are due, how to answer questions, how to submit a quiz, how to review questions, and how to view your quiz grade. Open a course that uses quizzes. Click Quizzes in the course navigation menu to open the quiz index page. Please note, not every course will have the quizzes link in the course navigation menu. Your instructor determines which links appear in the course navigation menu. At the top of the quiz index page is a search bar that will allow you to search for a quiz by the quiz title. There are 4 types of assessments on the quiz index page. Assignment quizzes are graded quizzes. Practice quizzes are learning tools that do not count for a grade. Surveys can be graded or ungraded, but graded surveys do not grade for correct and incorrect questions like quizzes do. The rocket icon next to any assessment means that it is designated as a quiz or survey. The rocket icon symbolizes progress. Underneath the quiz title, you can view the quiz's availability. If the quiz says, "Not available until a specific date," then the quiz is locked until that specified date. If the quiz says, "Available until a specific date," you can complete the quiz until that specified date. If the quiz does not have a date listed, you can complete the quiz at any time during the course. You can also view when the quiz is due, how many points it's worth, and how many questions the quiz contains. Click on the quiz title to view the quiz details. When you are ready to start a quiz, click the Take the Quiz button. The top of the page displays the quiz title, the time and date you started the quiz, and any quiz instructions your instructor has provided. Depending on the type of quiz your instructor has created, you may see questions one at a time or all at once on the page. If your instructor has created a one question at a time quiz, you will need to click the Next button to advance to future questions. The sidebar on the right displays a summary of the quiz. Questions you've answered will be marked with a checkmark icon. Questions that you have not answered will be marked by a question mark icon. You can click on any of the question links to jump to that specific question in the quiz. The sidebar also displays a timer. For untimed quizzes, the timer shows the elapsed time. For timed quizzes, the timer counts down until time expires. You may hide the timer by clicking the Hide link. You may show the timer by clicking the Show link. There are several question types for quizzes. For this example, we will answer a multiple choice question, a true or false question, and an essay question. At any time during the quiz, you can use the flag next to the question to mark it for later review. The flag will display next to the question number in the question overview sidebar. To answer a multiple choice question, simply click on the answer you would like to choose. To answer a true or false question, simply select true or false. To answer an essay question, use the Rich Content Editor to type your answer. You can use any of the tools provided in the Rich Content Editor, including formatting and media tools. Once you have finished answering all of the quiz questions, return to the top of the page to check the question overview sidebar. Make sure you have answered all of the questions. You should see a checkmark next to each question number. Once you have double-checked that you answered all of the questions, scroll to the bottom of the page and click the Submit Quiz button. After you have submitted your quiz, you will see your attempt history. The attempt history displays each of your attempts, the time you spent on each attempt, and the score you received for each attempt. If your score includes an asterisk, your instructor has not finished grading the manually graded sections of your quiz. If your instructor has chosen to enable the feature, you can view your answers and the correct answers for the quiz. You will also be able to view your quiz grade in the grades section of your course. For more information on navigating the grades section, watch the Manage Your Grades video. Remember to check your quiz index page within your courses frequently to ensure that you don't miss any assessments. Thank you for watching this video on how to take an assessment within web courses at UCF. If you have any questions, please contact Web Courses at UCF support for assistance. Charge on!